Okay guys, running over here to Liquor and Wine of the Smokies for an illegally parked vehicle. I believe they said it's some sort of little Ford sedan type of thing, but as you can see, traffic over here on Legion Field Bridge is pretty horrendous. But we're gonna see if we can get in here and get this thing scooped up and clear up their parking lot for them. Alrighty, looks like it's gonna be this little Ford here, but it looks like they've got that blocked off there for some reason. I'll probably end up just moving those cones regardless, so I can get this thing hooked up. Let's see what this gentleman's got to say. Hello, this is the one. Would you care if I move those cones? Thank you so much. I'll put them back after I'm done. Thank you. I appreciate you. You said this one's been here for 2 hours?
Been here for a while.
Shoo-wee. Thank you so much. This one because I'm sure it's front wheel drive. All these little Fords are. Oh, goodness. Not quite sure what that bowl of milk is. If you can see that. Kind of interesting. See if I can pull this thing forward a little bit and move this mysterious bowl of milk over here. I don't know what that bowl is, but that was under their...
Watering your damn dog.
Something like that. No, I shouldn't have done middle. Oh my goodness. It's so heavy. I didn't think it was gonna be that heavy. Hitting my camera. Cool. See if we can get out of here. Move these cones back. Let's go ahead. Excuse my heavy breathing. See if I can walk this road for half a second. Sorry. Thank you, sir. Sorry. Okay. Let's get out of here. Okay guys, just got back over here to the lot. I thought that I would do somewhat of a little quick walk around, even though I've already got this thing loaded up here, but scratches, as you can see, huge big dent here. Looks like it busted out their back glass there. The wheels definitely seen better days. It's got little marks and scratches all over. It looks like it's got another big couple of dents there. Bunch of scrapes and scratches and all kinds of stuff. The hood's super beat up. Sticker bushes are right there, by the way, in case you didn't see those, because I definitely didn't, and I got stabbed a whole bunch, but that's okay. It's got both sides. Looks like the hood came up and did something there. Marks and scratches and stuff all over. Again, sorry I didn't really do a walk around while I was there. I was just trying to get this thing loaded up and out of their parking lot so they could have their spots open back up, and I was causing all kinds of traffic infractions. There's something weird about this rear wheel too. It's like the suspension is like super compressed, but like only this side. So it's gonna give me all kinds of troubles. There we go. Maybe. Shooey. See if we can finish getting this thing unloaded. I'm going to try to conserve some of my battery because I only have 30% left on this one, and I'm sure that these people will be calling, so I'm gonna see. I don't know, this side's weird too. It's like it just absolutely does not want to come off. It's like it's like it's lowered. All right, I'm gonna finish getting the thing unloaded. Everything auto.
Yes. Let me see the card. Is this everything auto?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I was calling about a black Ford Fusion with Kentucky plates that was picked up at the liquor store there at the lodge.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We just picked that one up.
Yeah, we were just getting ready to get back in it, and it was going. We hadn't been gone 10 minutes, and he had got it towed. We were just trying to find out where we needed to go to park on the hill to, the lodge, and which I mean, the guy didn't seem to have any sympathy about anything. But I was wanting to know where, because we're heading towards Pigeon Forge, and I was wanting to know where I can get to pick the vehicle up and what it's going to, price
sir.
and all that.
Yes, sir. Okay, so we're it's over here at our lot in Gatlinburg. The address is 221 Newman Road. Like I said,
it's in Gatlinburg.
Yeah,
221 Newman Road.
Yes, sir. And that's roughly a 15-minute drive from where we picked it up. And you have to be the registered owner. Your name on your ID has to match the name on the registration to the vehicle. And the cost associated is, and it has to be cash.
All right. And what was that one more time? The address?
It is 221 Newman Road in Gatlinburg.
All right. All right. Thank you.
Alrighty. Thank you. I guess I also kind of messed up there. I didn't ask if he was on his way, but he said he was on his way to Pigeon Forge or something like that. Maybe I should give him another call back. Let's see.
Hello?
Yes, this is Covin with Everything Auto. We just spoke.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Do you know roughly how long it's going to be until you get here?
I'm headed that way now.
Okay, perfect. I'll have somebody here waiting for you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Hey.
Yes, sir.
Is there any possible way, because you said cash, and I don't know if I can get that much, I don't know if I have that much on me, but I mean, I understand from where you're coming from too. I own a business and stuff in trucking, and I get it. But I was just wanting to know what would be the lowest cash you would do, because, like I said, you want cash. So,
unfortunately, that's just the standard for all of our illegally parked vehicle tows. There is a bank right up from our lot that has an ATM. But okay. Yeah, unfortunately, that's just our standard for all of our illegally parked vehicles.
Okay, thank you.
Alrighty, thank you. Okay, perfect. He said he's on his way. I think this might be them. Let's see. Hello. You here for the Fusion? Yep. Yes, sir.
Her ID is in the car.
Okay, that's fine. I'll bring it out here first. If you have a picture of your ID that I can see really quick.
It's in the car.
Oh, my bad. Let me get your receipt. If you've got the keys, I'll pull it up here for you. All right. Our insurance company just super picky about it. Give me just a second. I'm gonna open and close this gate one really quick time. Sorry, it's automatic. Okay, perfect. If you wanted to go ahead and get your stuff and prove that, and then let me write you a receipt really quick. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, they called and they said that it had been there for over 2 hours is what they told us. So
it hadn't been there over 2 hours.
They get super picky.
Yeah, I can already tell that he's getting real.
This is a Ford Fusion.
The 18.
You said it's a 2018?
Yep.
And it's a Kentucky tag. Sorry. Make sure. The 11th. Alrighty. Alrighty, you said you wanted my name on here too?
Yeah, you got me. I get the number.
Yes, sir. Our company's up here too. You want my personal name?
Yeah, just that way.
Yes, sir. Alrighty, there's that for you. Perfect. And you have your registration?
Yeah.
The vehicle.
You get it? I get it.
Perfect. Alrighty, and then it was.
So any wreck jobs in?
Any wrecked vehicles? Yes, sir, all the time.
We have a 2015 Jeep Cherokee hood, would you?
I don't think so. Those are kind of hard to come by. There's honestly, we take a lot of stuff to scrap yards.
Yeah, I figured.
Thanks, sir. That would probably be your best bet there, would be that.
Words in pounds until Sunday. I didn't know.
Yes, sir.
I'd actually give out there.
Yeah, I've definitely tried with some scrap yards. There's a lot that are in the area, close to the Knoxville area as well, so. Thank you guys. Let me get this gate for you. There they go. Okay, guys. Yeah, they just left. They just picked up their Ford Fusion there from Liquor and the Wine and the Smokies there. So of course they were over the phone. He sounded a little upset, obviously, again, because his vehicle was towed. He tried to say that he was parked there for roughly 10 minutes to run up and try to find some other place to park, but that was not true. It took me way longer than 10 minutes to drive from my house to the lot to pick that one up, and it took me way longer, about 10 minutes in and of itself, just to get the thing loaded. So they were definitely there for longer than 10 minutes. The employee of Liquor and Wine of the Smokies came out and said that they had been there for roughly 2 hours. I told the gentleman that in person again when he was here, and he's didn't seem to agree with that. But anyways, they didn't really give me any troubles there. They were pretty nice, so I appreciate that. Confirmed that they actually owned the vehicle, and it was easy from there. Got them on their way. So stick around, stay tuned. It's been pretty busy, and I'm sure it's gonna continue to be busy with plenty more illegal parts to come. So stick around, stay tuned, turn and burn, on our way to the next one.